We are WG Locksmiths team, and today we will be looking at door closer adjustments. Here is few possible scenarios where the door closer setup is likely to blame. 1. Door not latching properly. Door closer too weak. Door stops on the latch. Remains opened. 2. Door closing too fast, causing too much noise. 3. Door closing too slow. 10 minutes later. Here is how it should look like. Door closes automatically. Accelerates near the end. All the way in. Remains closed. Problems presented in this video could either mean problem with the alignment or a door closer needs adjusting. Contact us to book an appointment with the details from this video. This will help us to give you the best advices and quote. Thank you for watching.